Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Rookie Cadan back again with another free real life stock review for Real Life Trading Australia. It's Hump Day Wednesday. Hope you guys are super excited as I am. Let's dive in. Let's take a look at what happened in the markets. The SPY. Now we did get a retest gap, which is a green candle gapping up. We did get a lower shadow here. This data is actually incorrect on pretty much all trading software. You can see here it was showing a low of 295.46, but if you have a look at the intraday trading, the low of the day was only 298.69. So we did start to retest, which is good to see. And right now, just retesting the 100 and 200 simple moving average, and most likely going to trade higher, guys. We have come back out. We have broke out of this particular resistance level, short-term resistance level right here, and yeah, look to go higher. Look to buy the dip. Seems bullish. The E-minis not doing too much, guys. Just staying bullish. Just keep on buying these dips when they do occur. Seems to be what is going on at the moment. The overall markets are extremely bullish at the moment. Not a whole lot of bears in town. So if you are looking to buy, makes tons of sense. Here's the ASX 200. Now I have switched over to the ASX 200 just because it does show the gaps a lot better than the All Ords. Now, as you can see, ASX 200 was a retest gap today, and we did continue. This was a nice big push from all the major banks as well, which we will speak about. But right now, retest gap, most likely going to find a little bit of resistance up here, guys, and then we'll probably pull back just a little bit before we bounce and go higher. Got a request from my man Dan for Altium. Actually, he requested quite a few stocks, which we'll go through, but Altium, right now, mate, we are currently at a resistance level. So right here, I do expect us probably to kind of consolidate for a little bit. If you are looking to buy, try to buy off the 100 and 200 simple moving average. Makes the most sense at the moment on Altium. But if you are already in, probably look to take some off the table. Look to reduce your size a little bit just because we are currently at a resistance level. You can see here we've had a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move, and right now most likely it's just going to chill, right? Nothing super bullish. The volume here is not increasing, so most likely we're just going to trade a little bit sideways on Altium. Here's App Unlimited, ticker symbol APX, another great request. Back at the all-time highs, guys, creating a new all-time high today. Not the time to buy. All right, we've had a beautiful double bottom after COVID, and then we come back to APX. Had a beautiful double bottom here. Nice little retest, and then we had the nice Elliott wave 5-wave move, and right now we are fairly extended. I would not be looking to buy at this particular point at all. This does not look super bullish, especially with this volume coming in, and I just expect this to have a really nice pullback. On the shorter term moving averages though, if you're looking to buy the dip, probably look to buy off this previous resistance level right here around 26.92. It will coincide with the 50 EMA if we do get down there. Makes the most sense, mate. And another request that you did have was RHC, Ramsay Healthcare. Now Ramsay Healthcare is in a bullish trend, unquestionable. So we are in a bullish trend. We did resist the 200 simple moving average. Now we broke through. So right now, most likely, we are in a nice little bullish trend. We'll probably come back, retest. It's not going to skyrocket out of here. It's going to be a long, slow and grindy stock. But definitely is bullish. Look to buy the dip off the 100 and 200 simple. We're right there. Looks good for a long. Here's ticker symbol CSL. Now CSL has had a massive gain since 2019. You can see here we have, wrong one. You can see here we have had a increase from, of over 100%, and right now we are just distributing, right? So we've had a really nice public participation phase. Now we are in the distribution phase and expect it to be here for a little bit longer, probably another few months, 3 to 4 months. I think you'll get a very nice opportunity to buy CSL off the 200 simple at some point. It makes the most sense to be buying off this particular level. And as you can see, guys, also on the weekly, I mean, the trend is bullish. All right, so just look to buy the dip. If you are looking to buy off a long-term moving average, then have a long-term outlook. Yes, I get that this is probably somewhat of a double top, but we are forming some really nice support right here at $278. So looks good for a long if we get back down to the 200 simple moving average. Here's RIO, another great request. Now we have had beautiful double bottom, great sideways movement. Not a lot happening on this one. It's been sideways for just over a year. So Rio Tinto is right now just currently retesting after this sensational retest gap. This is going to be a very slow and grindy stock as well. If you do own shares of Rio, I'd probably look to get into somewhat of a covered call position. Look to sell some premium up around $100 up here. If we do come back up to these highs, it is a very good level to sell your shares. Also, if you're looking to buy, you can also look to sell some premium down here and get into some puts. So sell some puts down here around the $84 mark. Great level to be getting into some Rio. It will be sideways for a lot longer. And I've also got another request from my man Brody for ANZ. Beautiful, sensational breakout pattern right here. We have had a descending triangle, a descending wedge, whatever you'd like to call it here. Very nice consolidation, and here is the breakout. Insane volume that we've got here, so it's most likely going to continue. If you're not in already, you can get in on a pullback, probably roughly about 50% below this particular move. Probably look to buy the dip and then take it higher. This also has been a sensational buy long term. This is the monthly chart, guys. Look at that bounce off the 200 simple moving average. I mean, come on. Last time this happened was pretty much around the GFC. It was just an absolute bargain to be buying ANZ at this particular time. So have a long-term outlook on ANZ if you are holding ANZ. Looks like it's going to continue higher. Here's crude oil. Now crude oil still just resting below the 100 simple moving average, going completely sideways. Nothing to see here on crude. And here's gold. Now gold having a crazy little fake out here. We did get caught up in this as well. Currently in call options on GLD, and they'll probably get stopped out on that for 1R on those. But we are coming back down to a support level, so hopefully we do bounce. If we do come back down to the 100 simple, guys, most likely going to be a buy. The trend is still bullish on gold, so makes sense that we are kind of just chopping around and resting. And last but not least, here is the Aussie dollar smacking its head against the 200 simple moving average. I mean, it's been a long time coming. It's been a very long time coming. Haven't been here since the start of the year, and almost 6 months in, and we're finally back here again. So what's going to happen? I have no idea what is going to happen with the Aussie dollar. The economy is not super strong, especially with what's been going on with the whole coronavirus and COVID situation. So we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. We are currently at a resistance level. I do understand that this is a target level for most forex traders. So if you are looking to buy the Aussie dollar, probably just look to buy low, sell high. It's going to consolidate and distribute for quite some time. Alright folks, that's enough from me. I'll be back on Friday with another free real life stock review, and if you do have any tickers or stocks that you would like me to look at, leave it in the comment section below and I will put them in my next review just for you. Alright team, and until next time, love life, live life and trade it. Bye.